How to change skin in Minecraft is the topic of today's video. If you are new to the TutorialTucker channel, please go down below and hit that subscribe button and then go and leave a like as well. I really do appreciate it. So it's a pretty cool video, as today I'm literally showing you how to change your skin, because if you have a Steve skin currently looking like this, then I'll be showing you how to fully customize it, and it's really simple. Then I'll be showing you how to make it look like this, so you can fully customize it. It's super awesome, and I'm going over the full guide in today's video. So any further ado, let's go and jump into this awesome video. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm now on my desktop, and let's go and jump into this tutorial. So the first thing I want to show you is my current skin, and then we'll show you the skin at the end just to fully prove this is fully working. So of course it's going to open up Minecraft. You want to come to your search or wherever you have Minecraft. I'm going to go to the Minecraft launcher, and then of course you want to go and click play. Now it's going to go and open up, and then we can go and quickly show you my skin, and I'll actually skip to that part right now. So as you can see, this is my current skin just here. I've just had it for a while, and it's just a random skin I had, but let's go and change this into something different, and we'll show you the exact steps. So let's go and quit off Minecraft, click quit game. So the first thing you want to do is simply go up and open up a browser of your choice into a new window. So you want to come to Google and search for Minecraft skins, just like so. And then you want to come onto Google and you want to come to this one here, minecraftskins.com. It's called also called the Skindex. So click there, and it's good to commit to load, and then you're on this site. There are so many skins, and yeah, it's literally unlimited skins which users have uploaded. You can upload your own skins as well, which is really cool. So scroll down to see one you like. So this is actually really cool, sort of based off Among Us. I might try this one out. So I'm going to click here, and hopefully it loads. And as you can see, we've got this here. You'll come to the right, and you've got a few options here. So as you can see, you've got upload to minecraft.net, download, wardrobe, and edit skin. So before we download it, I want to quickly show you can actually edit it. So if there's like something you'd like to change or something like that, you click edit skin, and it's going to take a minute to load as it loads the editor. And as you can see, we're now on the skin editor. So you can literally go and do so much here. You can change the color, you can change loads of different features. So let's go into, I wanted to add some white squares to this, and all we want to do is select white in this using this sort of color picker, and then you can literally just click on the squares and you can add it. It's that easy, and you can download it from there, and it will download this edited version. But I just want the normal version, so I'm gonna click undo and actually just go and click got it and go back, because I don't actually want to edit it. So anyways, we've now got that there. Now let's go and click download, and this is going to download the skin to your computer. So we'll click download, and as you can see, it literally brings the download here. Now if we click it open, as you can see, it's tiny and it doesn't even look like a skin. This is completely normal. It's just a format of which Minecraft opens skins in. So we now got the skin. So you want to make sure you save it in a place which you know where it is. I saved it into my downloads folder, and that works fine for me. So let's go and quit off this and quit off Chrome or your browser of choice. And then you want to come down and open up Minecraft. So once you've opened up the Minecraft launcher, you then need to go to skins. And then once it loads, as you can see my current skin, but you can go and click new skin. You want to click there. As you can see, you can now name the skin. So I can say tutorial, if I can spell that, tutorial. And you can either go for the classic player model or the slim, which is the Alex one, but obviously you're changing the look anyway, but I prefer just the classic. Then you'll go and click browse. Now this is where you've got to find where you went and saved the file. So I'm going to go and find mine now. I may have to blur some stuff. Okay, I found it now. So as you can see, I've just got this here. It's just got a random name, PNG file. I'm going to double click it, and boom, as you can see, it literally opens it up, and that's the exact skin I downloaded. Then you want to go and click save and use. Yeah, and here it is, and you can also go back to your Alex or Steve skin as well. So let's go and open this up. So I'm going to click play, and then we can go and test this out and change my version to its latest release and click play, and then we'll go and see once it's loaded. And here we are guys, here is the skin. It looks really cool. If you did find this video useful as well, make sure you subscribe, because I've got a ton more Minecraft content coming soon. But like I said before, you can literally get any type of skin, and I look forward to catch you in the next video. Peace.